So a lot of people ask what Grayson does with other dogs. This week we're pet sitting Hope, and Grayson is at the table, not interacting because he's not a dog. Grayson is pet sitting this weekend. So the dog Hope is just doing dog things, and Grayson is
doing Grayson
things, which is eating breakfast with us, right? Look at how he is sitting with his leg.
Right.
Sorry. Is she like below you or something?